Therefore, I will present software that allows you to upload multiple videos to a fan page, helping you connect with a larger audience. Here is the software called McCarty Post. This software allows you to manage a large number of Facebook accounts for your tasks. The page function includes numerous features for Facebook pages. First, you can also upload long videos, not just simple views. This long video upload feature allows us to post lengthy videos on our Facebook pages to reach more customers. This page function also includes many other features like posting, commenting by UID, posting Facebook views, uploading clips, participating in groups, posting in groups, commenting in groups, and more. Now let's get to video uploads. Let's upload videos to your Facebook page. Now, I will set up the parameters to enable the activity. Here's the number for simultaneous uploads. A few short ones for my pipe. My machine can do a few at once. Next will be the interval for posting twice. I'll set the interval here to about. I'll set it as 10 to 20 seconds, alright? Next, each fan page will post how many videos. I will set the number to 1 clip. Transfer the file, test the file. If there are errors, 2 videos. The upload time will be 15 seconds. It will be 20 seconds, 20 to 30. Here, I will choose the video. I have many videos in this section. I just need to select that color. I will do it here. Take all the videos from this file. I'll open it. After I pick the video, I'll go to that part. You may add a description in the section below this video description. You can write a description below. You can write a description below. The input area. The description for this video. Feel free to input a description at the area below. Feel free to input a description. You can write a description below. You can write a description below this video description field. Feel free to input a description in the area below this video description section. Feel free to